Okay, so it's 7 o'clock and that's when I usually get ready for school. And I usually sleep with my hair in braids, just messily braid it because I want to keep it protected, but I just don't want to do too much because I know that it'll end up getting messed up. So first thing that I do is I go in the bathroom and I wash my face and just get ready. So we'll do that. Okay, so the first thing that I'll do is I'll wash my face with the Glow Cleanser. And I use this because I had really bad acne. You know, most teenagers have like really bad acne. And I had dry skin, so when I use this, it really like moisturized my face and cleared it up. So you just take the sponge and you wet it, squeeze out the water, and just like rub it on your face. And I do this twice a day, once in the day and one at night before I go to bed. Just more water. Okay, so now I just take a towel and I'll wipe off the rest. And usually after I wash my face, I'll go straight into my hair. And as I said, I sleep in braids, so I just unbraid the braids and take one section at a time. I'm just gonna start this side. Okay, so after I unbraid my hair, I just section it off into 2 sections and I'll put one side in a bun. Just a low bun over here, and I'll start with the other side. And the products that I use are Curlaid, and I use this oil because I really want to grow my hair, and it just works really well. It's been showing a lot of results. So, and I take this spray bottle and just wet it a little bit. And kind of just like finger detangle a little bit from the braid because it's still in that shape. And I'll keep doing that for a while and then add the product in. And now I will just take a little bit of the oil and put that on my roots and mainly at the end of my hair. So I'll start at the end of my hair and like kind of work my way up and get a little in the front. And I just keep doing this until I get it how I like it. And recently I started just doing 2 little braids with these front pieces of my hair because sometimes they get a little crazy and it just keeps the hair down, and it's kind of like a protective style because these baby hairs are just really sensitive. So I'll section this off. And I'll just braid this. Okay, so now that I'm done with this side, I'll just put it in a bun and I'll start the other. And I just do the same low bun. Finish this side, I just put it back in the bun like the other, and I usually wear it like this while I'm getting dressed and all the way up until I get to school because it kind of stretches it out and it gives it a chance to dry. And some days I will wear this style because I think it's really cute. And yeah, so now let's go get dressed. Okay, so after I'm done getting dressed, I usually just undo my hair and fluff it out a little bit. And it's usually halfway dry, but it dries on the way to school. And I'll just tuck these pieces behind my ear. And that's it, that's my morning routine. And I'm off to school.